What's up? Was doing a test drive on this 1973 Camaro, and I figured I'd stop off in the parking lot, open the trunk and the hood. We'll walk around it, check it all out. That way you know everything about this ride. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I point out flaws, do reviews on these cars, and we're constantly doing them, especially with the test drives and walkarounds. I'm looking for flaws in the paint, chips, scratches, rust, Bondo, whatever I can find, and I'll let you know about it. This one here has a crate motor. It's a blueprint from the factory, so they went ahead and did everything from that, and they put aluminum heads on it. Blueprint. It even says it on the aluminum heads. This one's got power steering, lots of chrome, nice and clean under the hood, and she's pretty quick. Look at the detailed photos at maplemotors.com. Also have shipping and financing available for you, and a section on there that tells you about us and frequently asked questions. That saves a phone call. You can check that out, learn everything about us just right there online. Let's get started here. Coming around the front bumper, you can see it does have pitting. A few little scratches here and there. Got some dimples in the paint job right there. We've also got a chip in the nose. A few little spots in the paint job right here. Coming around this side. Piece up under the front looks great. A couple little dimples in the corner there, up over the fender. Picked up some grass on the test drive, didn't I? I'm aiming you this way because my shadow. We got a paint drip right there over the fender. Coming back the mid section. Little touch-up spot there. We've also got some little light shadowy looking spots in the paint down through here. A couple little dimples on top of the paint job there. Some cracking in that pillar. Little weak spot in the paint there. And right here. Looks like they just sprayed it on a little thick. It's kind of runny. Good over the back here, like on the wing. Paint's weak, spotty. We'll go ahead and open the trunk, check it out. They repainted the lid. Weather stripping's in good shape. Got a nice mat in here. These panels look pretty good. Same with the package tray. A little bit of moisture under here. Back window's probably leaking. Trunk pan's not bad. It's getting some surface rust on it from all this moisture. I wonder how dark that got for you. Just trying to look up in there. Okay, we'll go ahead and shut this lid. Keys are in the car. Imagine locking the keys in the trunk. I'd feel like an idiot. I would. Back bumper's in great shape. Coming around this side. Looks like some extra wax left on there. I was trying to wipe off, but it's still on there. Pop over the fender. You got a little spot there in the paint. And back to midsection. Looks like there's some slight dents in the door. You can't hardly see them. You got to hit them with the right light, but you can point them out here. There was one down here somebody's fixed. You can hardly even see that. There's one right here. It's very subtle. I doubt it's going to pop up on the camera, but I'm telling you about them. There's a touch-up mark there in the middle of the door. You got a touch-up mark right here. And you may not even see them yourself in person, but I look at cars every day, all day, so I can kind of see that stuff. Hopefully it popped up in the camera. You got some specks on the trunk lid scattered throughout here. Back window's in great shape. They put a huge seal on it. Look at all that. They used a lot. It shouldn't leak, but it is. But it could be coming through right here too. The roof's in good shape. Front window looks pretty good. All right. Let's go ahead and jump on the inside of this, get it started up, and check out the interior. We'll also do some undercarriage shots. Little crack in the paint right there as well. Carpet in this one looks pretty good. Same with the seats. Nice and clean, they're not ripped up. Console, you can hear the buzzer. Package tray needs to be recovered, I believe. You got some receipts back there, come with the motor, showing some specs on it. And I'll have detailed pictures of those at maplemotors.com. Please check that out, and also please check out the questions section on the website. I've been pushing it because a lot of people don't go there and look at it. Weather stripping looks good. Underside of the door is nice and clean. Jams, same thing. Looking across the dash, go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Engine temperature is up, oil pressure is up and working. I like the gauges down there. Radio works good. It is a digital remake. Tach's coming up. Original gauge is working. Clock is not working. I can't stand behind the odometer on these, and I kind of believe the gas gauge is working, but it's not 100% correct. Wipers, they do work. And horn? No horn. I do like the shifter. It's pretty clean looking. A little bit touchy during the test drive, but it works well. Brand new ashtray that I can't hardly ever get open. Heat does not work on this one. Motor's nice and quiet. Good deal. Let's come down with the hood. It comes down really easy and locks up. Hood is a little bit of a shade off. It's a little darker. You got a chip right here. Yeah, these fenders are lighter. Okay. I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots and we'll head on back to the car lot. Let's look under this one. Hey, if you want better detailed pictures, visit maplemotors.com or check out the test drive video where I light the undercarriage up. I do appreciate y'all watching. I want you to watch both videos before you decide on this car. There's a test drive and a walk around for every car on the lot. I do have financing and shipping at maplemotors.com. I want to thank you again for watching, and be sure to hit subscribe, like, and share. That helps us out quite a bit. See you later.